Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Expedia not letting me choose seats. Expedia typically allows customers to select seats when booking flights. However, if Expedia is not letting you choose your seat while booking your flight, it could be due to a temporary technical issue. So first of all, you need to clear Expedia's site cache. For instance, on Chrome, you simply need to hold down Ctrl, Shift, and Delete key on your keyboard. A pop-up window will open up. Simply select All Time in the box next to Time Range. Then checkmark these boxes and tap on Clear Data. Once you're done with it, relaunch your browser and check if it fixes the Expedia not letting you choose your seats issue. But if it doesn't, then you need to contact customer support officials. Simply open up Expedia's official website. And then from the home screen, you need to tap on the support option right here at the top. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on this chat icon in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, a chat screen will come up. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and they'll connect you with Expedia's customer support officials. Once you're connected, briefly explain your issue to the Expedia's customer care representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hi, during my recent booking process, I noticed that the option to choose seats was not functioning properly and was somewhat unavailable. I kindly request your assistance in resolving this issue so that I can proceed with selecting seats for my upcoming flights." Hopefully, Expedia's customer support official will help you fix Expedia not letting you choose your seats issue. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.